should I raise venture capital? And my answer to that is probably, but also likely not. I like to show this graph because that big blue dot that you can actually see are all of the companies that don't have access to venture capital. And what that means is companies that just aren't venture scalable. As a venture investor, I need to return 20 to 40 times my investment. That means you need to have a massive market and a massive opportunity, and you need to be going after essentially billion-dollar opportunities. And just not every company is going after a billion-dollar opportunity. You probably can't see it on here, but there's a little pink dot at the bottom are the companies that actually raise venture capital. And there's an imperceptible dot that's about 1 pixel that is the number of companies that reach $1 billion valuation. So venture capital is a tool to help you execute on your strategy more quickly, but it is not a strategy in and of itself. All of the companies you see on the right-hand side of your screen are companies that achieved massive success without raising venture capital. But it is a tool to move more quickly. And in this sort of age of fast times to market with AI and rapid iteration with AI, you may need to consider bringing on capital to be able to execute more quickly or hire some of that scarce talent that's going to command a price premium.